What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Just wanted to say something to you real quick. I was asked about my Instagram and my YouTube page. Is it for business or is it personal? Well, I use it for both. But I do have a professional website for my business, Hog On. But Instagram and my Facebook and my YouTube are my personal blogs. You know, I want to show people my development and my struggle and where I come from, and that I'm actually black doing this independently, really independently, learning this out here, rubbing shoulders and meeting people, shaking hands and investing my money to grow my business. And I just want other black brothers who have been to prison and who have had a few stepping stones in life and feel like they can open up a new door. You can. You just have to apply yourself, and you have to go for broke sometime. And I know a lot of our people, you know, we like to floss, we like to look good, and that's cool. But if you want to build a business, you're going to have to sit that to the side. You're going to have to shine on your reserve pack. So whatever you had beforehand, just use that and keep it up. Don't go indulging in nothing else if it's not important. Like, even when I eat now, you know what I mean? Like, I eat to survive. I don't just eat every time I get a little hunger pain. I'm going to put enough in me so I know I'm good to the next day. You see what I'm saying? I'm not going to overdo anything. Because right now, I'm trying to take myself, my life, my future, my kids to a whole nother level. And I know I got to act like I'm incarcerated. I got to act like I don't have nothing but a little bit. And I don't know when the next time I might see somebody, or you never know who's going to send you a letter, or you never know who's going to come visit you. So you have to stay independent and grind, and that's my mentality right now. Hold on.